welcome to Automation Partners AI. We are going to talk about how to use Lead Gen Z to scrap unlimited leads that you are looking for. So for that, we need to go in the pricing page, and on the pricing page, you can find the Lead Gen Z plan where you can buy this plan and start scrapping unlimited leads, and how and why and when you can get access over there. Everything is given on this video. But about the Lead Gen Z setups, we need to do in a separate way. And when you buy this plan, keep in mind you remember the mail address, and you have to use that mail for registration over here. So don't worry about the URL. We are gonna give you all the URL on the descriptions. So first of all, we need to do the registrations, and on the mail we will use the same mail that we use over here for purchasing the plan. So after doing all the registrations, go back to the login and do login. If you already have made the registration, they will show the check marks. So over here you will get paid access in 24 hours, and after that you will see this dashboard, and you need to top up over here for scrapping the mails. Just enter the amount and confirm and pay through the PayPal, and after that you can start scrapping with the mails, which is already told you 2 cents per mail. So here, let's say you sell coffee shop machine, okay, and you're looking for a coffee shop. So and you live in New York, and you're actively looking for people around 10-mile radius. So if we try to scrap, let's say we try without mail, and let's go, and it will ask for API key. So how we can get the API key and how we update that, it's pretty much easy. You go to the settings, paste the API key and update. So where and how to set up the API key for here. So we just need to Google the on Google Cloud Console, and then we will come over here. You can just click one of them, avoid the sponsors, and then you will see something like dashboard, something like this. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to create a project, which I already did that. You can create a project by clicking over here, entry all things, and then you can see a Lead Gen Z over here. And the first thing first, you need to do, add the billing. You need to add the billings, and then you need to go over here, API service, go to the library where you can download all the API. So what APIs we need to get? So we can search for place API. This is the place API look like. This is the place API new, and we also need to add the place API and geocoding APIs, which is this one. And so after adding, you can go over here and click on enable API and service, where you can see all the APIs under this. So you can see already place API. If I search for place API new, I can add that also if I want. So if I click over here, if I enable, it will ask for enable the billing, which I didn't do that yet, but we already have a enable billing, enable accounts, where we will show you. So we have plenty of APIs which you don't need to focus on that. You just need to have place API new, and geocoding API. So after that, you can go to the credentials and create a credentials over here, API key. So this is the API key that we build right now, but we don't need that right now, so we can just forget it because we already made one. So we're just gonna delete this. So just in case if you add the wrong API, you can delete this way. So we need to wait a little bit, and then we can just copy an API over here by doing this and close click on the close button and just paste over here, update. Now we can scrap. Okay, so we need to click on the home button, and now we are gonna find out some coffee shops in New York, and your coffee shop I mean coffee machine seller. So we will search for coffee shops, and we will try to get in New York, and you will see all the features over here: New York, NY, USA. So we are gonna go with the 10 miles, oh sorry, 20 miles. We can go with the without mails and mails or mail. So let's go with without the mails ID, so we can see what result we get. So this is the result we get. If we wait at 8 seconds, we can scrap more. So this way we can scrap internal life. So I'm not gonna scrap more. I'm gonna show you with email ID. So let's go with the emails. Okay, so we get a few of them. A few have mails. We will scrap more. Okay, so we are gonna scrap more, and this way we can scrap all the times. And after scrapping several leads, we can download that. You can also search for realtors, brokers, car insurance, cleaners, uh, in-house cleaners, outsource, HVAC, anybody. You can search for landlord. Anything you can search. So you can see it's already uh, reducing the balance because of the mail. So if you don't want this, you just need a phone numbers. Usually what happens, BPO, I mean business process organizations and call centers always look for phone numbers, and these are the best place where you can get a verified phone numbers and mails, where you can send mails or phone numbers. You can do cold calling, outbound calling, all the things. So you can see there are many people, many leads we can find. So this is how it works. You can just do that this way. And if you have any kind of problems during doing this, just contact with info at the red automation partners AI, and we will happy to help you. And even if you can't set up, still can setups, we can do for from your end, from our end. So in that way you can just scrap unlimited, I mean unlimited leads. What's the benefits if you buy our products? I mean buy our lead scrappers, I mean leads and z scrappers, which scrap unlimited leads. So in futures we are adding Facebook, LinkedIn, and more many big companies lead scrapping options, so you can scrap all the leads that you're looking for from there. Okay, so that's a very amazing stuff, and you can download from here. In here you can see how many leads you scrap and how long it will remain. It already showing the 24 hours left to get expired, the data that you scrap. So, and you can also see the lead search, email found, total cost, everything. And if you want to download, it will be downloaded as a CSV file. So before 24 hours gone, you just click over here and it will download. So I don't want this file, so I'm gonna override this, and I don't have Microsoft Sheet over here because I don't like it, and I mean it's very complex for me. So if you like, you can use it. You will able to see without internet. So I'm going to save it and replace it, and then I will try to see how it looks like. If you're using the Google Sheet, you can just open a new Google Sheet and click on open, upload, and browse. Select that and wait for a few seconds, and you will see all the leads. You can see the query name, type, address, phone number, status, ratings, even the websites and email. So just in case if you don't want to use the Google Sheet, you can just open from there. You'll need to use any CSV file format opening softwares like the Microsoft Office, other things. Yeah, there are many different kind of softwares. So you can try Google Sheet. So from like this, you can scrap as many as you want, and if you buy this, it will help us to expand the software, because we have very big plans for them who really rely on the leads. Because once upon a time I worked in a call centers, I was a cold callers, and I was a freelancers. There was many customers who were looking for the leads from me, and I wasn't able to provide them. But this is very handy, and you're not only getting the lead scrapers, you can also upload on your CRM, and you will see how to do that. You will also see the calendars, CRM, SMS, mail scripts, and inbound call dialers, outbound call dialers, appointment setters, cold calling dialers, data scrapers, and all the things that a BPO, which means business process organization, or freelancers, or call centers is looking for. So you're not only getting the leads NZ, you're also getting all the things that you need to reach out these leads through the mailing, through the dialing. So that's a crazy thing. That's why this is the most popular in our plan, and many people already bought that. And you will get this plan in all the other plans. You can see, and you can know more on this video about our plans and features, all the things. So you can also save more if you go through this URL. You can save $150, and you can see how many money you can save over here. So on the next video, we will talk about how to export and import these leads on your CRM that you will get over here, and you will know how to get these things through the videos. And I will make more videos about exporting and importing the leads. So have a wonderful day and stay safe.